Introduction to metabolism. Metabolism is the process by which the body converts food and drink into energy. It involves two key processes: catabolism, where food is broken down into simpler molecules for energy; anabolism, where the body uses this energy to build and repair cells. Every cell in the body relies on these processes to function. Now, let's see what happens to metabolism in a healthy body versus in diabetes. Normal metabolism and blood sugar regulation. When we eat, carbohydrates break down into glucose, which is the primary source of energy. Glucose enters the bloodstream, raising blood sugar levels. In response, the pancreas releases insulin. Insulin acts as a key, unlocking cells so glucose can enter and be used for energy. Excess glucose is stored in the liver as glycogen for later use. This balance keeps blood sugar levels within a healthy range. Metabolism in diabetes. In diabetes, this system doesn't work properly. There are two types of diabetes that affect metabolism differently. Type 1 diabetes, the body doesn't produce enough insulin. Type 2 diabetes, the body becomes resistant to insulin, or doesn't produce enough. In both cases, glucose can't enter the cells effectively, leading to high blood sugar levels. Over time, this affects the body's metabolism and energy production. Impact on energy and fat metabolism. When the cells can't use glucose for energy, the body starts breaking down fat for fuel. While this may sound beneficial, it can lead to harmful byproducts, such as ketones, which can build up in the blood, causing a serious condition called diabetic ketoacidosis in type 1 diabetes. In type 2 diabetes, the body tends to store more fat, especially in the liver and around organs, leading to a vicious cycle of insulin resistance and metabolic imbalance. Long-term effects on metabolism. Chronic high blood sugar disrupts the body's metabolism and damages vital organs over time. It can affect the heart, kidneys, nerves, and blood vessels, increasing the risk of complications like heart disease, stroke, and kidney failure. Managing blood sugar through lifestyle changes, medications, and insulin therapy is essential to maintaining a healthy metabolism in people with diabetes. Managing metabolism in diabetes. The key to managing metabolism in diabetes is controlling blood sugar levels. This can be done through diet, focusing on balanced meals with controlled carbohydrates. Exercise. Regular physical activity helps the body use glucose more effectively. Medication. Insulin and other medications help regulate blood sugar and support metabolic balance. By maintaining a healthy lifestyle and working with healthcare providers, people with diabetes can manage their metabolism and reduce the risk of complications. Conclusion. Metabolism plays a crucial role in how our bodies use energy. In diabetes, this process is disrupted, but with proper care, it can be managed. Understanding the link between metabolism and diabetes is key to living a healthier, fuller life. Stay informed, stay active, and work with your healthcare team to keep your metabolism in balance and manage diabetes effectively.